Hello? There's no one coming. Why did you not go? You see, I could have gone if you had, but now we're stuck again waiting for the next batch of cars. Oh my God. Okay, after this car, there's no one in sight. Go! Go! Yay! Yeah, minivan knows what's up.
Are you kidding me? And we load into the game, and I start doing jack.
Whoa! Is that how you turn? Alright, we're all stopping for the exit.
Nope, that one person doesn't know how to drive.
Hey!
I feel so bad.
They're still stopping! Oh, maybe exiting?
This person is just driving.
Nicely merged. What are you... Oh, God. Wanting to merge and merging are not the same thing. There's plenty of road for you to wait. Nope, that's what we're turning. Just drift on wherever you'd like to be. No hurry.
You have to blame me.
No, unnecessary. Don't give up. There's a whole entrance lane. Don't give up. Keep going. Don't give up. She merged behind you, no signal on the phone. Hey, she's not really on the phone, you're talking at the phone. Like a passenger.
Sometimes it's the last person, sometimes
everyone ran the hell out of that red light. It was not even kind of the theater. It looks like it. They're in the lane to the theater. I can't go there. Green arrow, green arrow. Oh, denied. Ladies and gentlemen, another green light for nobody. Literally, all the stores are closed. And the green light is still working on the old timer with no cross traffic. Yay. Yay. Or, hey. Why don't you be indecisive about fucking me over? That's outstanding. What are you doing? Seatbelt was locked, so I couldn't even lean up to get mad at him and push the button. Just when you think there's going to be no good footage for the video, idiots everywhere. Hooray, I guess? You say you're changing lanes, and then you don't change lanes. Okay. I'll change lanes for you. He was blinking before, and then he didn't do it. That's why I got over it. He was like, blink, 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 give up. On second thought. Wait to do it after me. Fail. Don't let him over. After this guy cuts over 3 lanes coming into traffic.